Hello guys, today we're gonna continue the Flappy Bird episode 4 or 5. I really don't remember, but I haven't been uploading for a while. It was because I was in a summer break, and like it just I didn't have enough time, and I was online on Roblox, but I really didn't have time to upload videos. So yeah, today we're gonna continue making the Flappy Bird. So let's get to the video. Last time we made the scores and like the numbers. I want to what I want to do is I want to add an ending screen, so like when you fail, like when you hit a tube, so like it shows the end screen, and it shows you that the game is over, and it shows you your final score. Okay, so first I want to come here, and I want to come to the sounds, and like this is the original pop sound. I just want to change this sound, which I will choose this sound. Effects. Let's see. Okay, I'll collect coin. I think coin will work. Okay, yeah, the coin will work. Okay, so whenever it collects, okay, it was on the tube. Whenever it collects, it will play this sound, but the sound is in here. Okay, I have to add the sound here. Okay, so now I'm gonna play sound coin until done. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, that worked. Okay, yeah, we got that working, and the thing is that the number is too big. Like you cannot really see the bird when it's jumping pretty high. I'm gonna make it smaller, from 100 to 50. Okay, let's see how it looks. It looks fair enough. Change the Y, maybe something higher, 150. Sure, 140 maybe. Yeah, okay, 140 works better, and change this 140. And okay, now it will change X by 25 because like we like divided the size, so we had to divide like how much it goes. Okay, let's see. Yes, it worked. Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, I had to hide this. Okay, now let's see if it works. I just didn't get the point. Sorry for being such a bad player. Oh, okay, that worked. It's now better. I think I can move the number a bit, but yeah, I don't think we have that much time. I don't want to waste your times. So let's make the end screen. So first of all, I want to search Flappy Bird ending images. Let's see. Okay, so what it looks like is where's the ending screen? Okay, this looks better. So game over. It just shows game over. Okay, paint, end screen, okay, now I want to do a box. Will be an kinda 10, light 10. Will this work? Yeah, that'll work. Okay, now make the box. The outline will be this color but lighter. Okay, so we're gonna bring this to the middle, make this 5 something. Actually, let's make this 10. Okay. Is it a smooth? No. Okay, not at all, but I'm just gonna add the metal. No, we're gonna add the metal later, but we're gonna make the score. Okay, I'm gonna make it pixel, and the color is red, reddish. Okay, kind of darker though, and here it is. Score. Yeah, this will be the score. Okay, the current score will be under this, and I'm gonna add a world high score. World high. Okay. This will be, yeah, like the record of the like the everyone who played this game. Okay, now just gonna add the programming. So I'm gonna make this in the center to make it like normal, and I'm just gonna have to bring all of these to the middle here. Okay. It really doesn't look like in the middle, but oh, there it is. Okay, now it looks in the middle. So I'm just gonna add a script. So events when clicked looks hide. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this. Actually, so how to make that work? Yeah, I'm just gonna delete this. I'm gonna make a message which will say game over. I'll just make it shorter. GG. Okay, go game. Now whenever the bird receives GG, it just is gonna stop. Oh wait, okay, then stop. Now let's see, stop this other script since sprite. Okay, yeah, whenever the tube receives GG, it's gonna when I receive GG, I'm gonna add that to the score in case of a glitch or something. Now I'm gonna make stop every other script. Stop other scripts in sprite and move this to the number 2, and yeah. Okay, now whenever I receive GG, it's gonna show up. Okay, it's gonna show up. Now then it's gonna make it's gonna show the scores. It's gonna show the score variable. Okay, let's show it right now so we can position it. Okay, I'm gonna move it here, so when it shows up it will be here. Okay, okay, now what I want to do is we had to make a variable for the world high. It's gonna be called world high score. I'm gonna make this a large text too. Oh wait, I had to delete again. Control C, make a variable, Control V, and I'm gonna select this. So if you don't have that option, that means you're not a scratcher yet, and to be a scratcher I will make a video later on, probably tomorrow or 2 days later, and yeah, you're gonna see, and you're gonna have to watch this video again just to do it. It's not that hard, but yeah. So roll high score. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it cannot support numbers, like letters or symbols. So roll high score when clicked, hide variable, rolled high score, and it's gonna show the variable rolled high score here when it's done. And we're gonna add a script. Control if then operators bigger than variable score bigger than world high score, then set world high score to score. Okay, now that'll be awesome. So yes, okay, I guess yeah, we had to add something, which I guess that'll be the end of the video. After I add that, it's gonna stop every other thing in the whole game. Stop all. Now let's try it. Okay, I forgot to do something. So it's gonna hide the variable score when it starts. Hide variable score. Okay, now let's try. We're pressing space on keyboard. I just want to test it. Okay, I'm a really bad player. I gotta think of strategy. Okay, so I'm gonna share this. I'm gonna put the link. Oh, I guess okay, so this is the world high score. Now it will stay like that until I make a new one. So like, okay, the world high score is 10. Now I'm gonna pass 10 somehow, which is so rare. Okay, now I can die. Okay, world high score is 20. Yay. Now I'm gonna make 10 in case I'm gonna get 10 score in case you don't believe me. Yeah, this is it. So this is it for today, guys. See you later. I'm gonna make the how to be a scratcher. Yeah, be cool, be chill, be a nerd, yeah, like me, and have a great day, have a great year, have a great summer, and bye. See ya.